So today we're in Atlanta at the Hyatt Regency. We're going to drive to Glasgow or Cave City, one of the two. It's near Mammoth Caves in Kentucky. So that's our destination. We're going to go through Chattanooga, Tennessee for sure. We may go through Nashville for lunch. I don't know. It depends on how late we leave because we kind of want to linger here a little bit since it's such a nice hotel. Ted's downstairs at the gym. Utilizing that. There's like a mall next door. We thought we might walk through that. So yeah, we're going to be getting a slow start today. Well, the Peachtree Center website definitely shows what the Peachtree Center actually is. It's under massive renovation right now. So, yeah, if you come here, you know, it's a good place for fast food and maybe a little bit of tourist shopping, but that's about it for right now. So, because the ambiance of the Peachtree Center wasn't quite up to snuff, we thought we'd come to the pool and have a little breakfast here. It's nice. Check it out. Come on, give me a look. Yeah. Kitty's happy look. Traffic in Chattanooga. Oh my goodness. And we can't get off for miles. And biscuit. What Ted got. So we stopped for lunch at this place called Maple Street because it got good Yelp reviews. We're in downtown Chattanooga. There was traffic, it was lunchtime, it's way past lunchtime actually. So here we are, trying some Southern food. Ted's loving his. I get to eat fried green tomatoes. Woohoo!
Continue on Market Street for half a mile.
Turn right, it said, didn't it?
At Market, that was Walnut. Those cute little row houses.
Yeah, that's so exciting.
What's it called, Ted? Sleep In? It's nice and new. Kitty found the way out.